Welcome dear students. In my previous video I told you something about the fundamental and derived physical quantities and we discussed what dimensions mean. Now in order to proceed ahead, I would like to tell you that in dimensional analysis we give certain symbols to the units of the fundamental quantities. Just as we do in chemistry, we give symbols to the elements and according to their combination, we give the chemical formula to a compound. In the same way, here we will have the symbol L for the dimensional formula of length, M for mass in capital letters it should be, and for time we take capital T inside the square brackets. Now in order to find out the dimensional formula of any physical quantity, we will first use the most renowned formula that we use for it. Then break the different quantities in the formula in fundamental quantities and then put L, M, T for the symbols of length, mass and time with their power. For example, if I have to find out dimensional formula of speed, then we know that speed equal to distance upon time. So the dimensional formula of speed will become the dimensions of d, which is length actually, L capital, upon the dimensions of time, that is capital T. It becomes L T minus 1. So we say that the dimensions of speed are LT minus 1, or the dimensional formula of the speed is LT minus 1. In the same way, suppose I have to find out the dimensions of momentum. We know that momentum P is equal to mass multiplied by velocity. So dimensional formula of P will be dimensions of mass, which is m, into dimensions of velocity that we have just seen is LT minus 1. This will be m L T minus 1. One more example, let us calculate the dimensional formula, or let us find the dimensional formula for, say, acceleration. We know that acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So dimensions of acceleration are dimensions of velocity divided by dimensions of time. That is LT minus 1 divided by T. This becomes LT to the power minus 2. Let us now see the dimensional formula for force. We know that force F is equal to mass into acceleration. So dimensional formula of force will be dimensions of mass multiplied by dimensional formula of acceleration, that is m L T minus 2. So the dimensional formula for force is m L T minus 2. This way we can find out the dimensional formula for any physical quantity. In our case, we have chosen only 3 fundamental quantity because in our syllabus, we are concerned with only these 3. Later on, you will know how to find out the dimensional formulae for the quantities that we use in electricity and magnetism.